Hi, welcome to Opus by Epilogue Systems. In this video, we'll show you how to use Opus Advisor to get personalized, in-the-moment help so you can stay productive, even when you're short on time. Whether you're onboarding to a new system, refreshing your memory, or just trying to get something done without slowing down, Opus makes it easy to stay confident and efficient without ever leaving your workflow. Let's get started. Let's look at a scenario. I'm a manager at a company that switched from Lawson to Workday. It's been a few weeks since training, and I've forgotten steps. I need to finalize my team's schedule before I leave for vacation. Thankfully, with Opus, help is just one click away. Without leaving my screen, I click the Opus Advisor light bulb to get help. The advisor works like a digital concierge, recognizing I'm in Workday and that I'm a supervisor, so it delivers only the content I need. I can search using a keyword or ask a full question, such as, how can I set up a team schedule? Opus Advisor finds the answer instantly, and even shows me which documents it pulled from. Opus gives me options based on how I learn best. The e-assistant provides step-by-step instructions right in the advisor panel. If I want more detail or visual context, I can open a job aid. Each one begins with a quick intro explaining the process, prerequisites, and tips for success. There are 3 types of job aids. One shows instructions followed by a full-size screenshot. Another shows the screenshot first. And the most popular, the end-user job aid, displays steps and screenshots side by side so it's easy to follow at a glance. Opus also includes 3 simulation modes so I can learn in real time. The demo simulation plays the process automatically, perfect for when I just want to watch. The interactive simulation lets me click through steps, giving me a controlled environment to practice in. The test simulation gives instructions and built-in knowledge checks without click cues. At the end of the test, I automatically get a score with feedback. If I want to complete a task live without reviewing content first, I can use Follow Me. It overlays step-by-step guidance directly on the Workday screen. I can follow along, skip ahead, or exit at any time. For broader support, I use Opus Books, a collection of related content grouped by application or role. I can browse chapters and access any format. They're available in multiple languages, which makes it easy to support global teams like mine. Thank you for watching. We've covered how to quickly relearn the steps to assigning a work schedule, delivered in multiple ways to support how you learn best. As a manager with limited time, that kind of flexibility is a lifesaver. We hope you're inspired to simplify training, support your teams, and keep work moving with Opus.